Are you ready to dive into a world of awesome gadgets and tools? Today, we've got something special lined up just for you. Get ready to discover 25 super cool tools that you absolutely need to know about. But hey, before we jump in, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered what tools could make your life easier and more fun? Well, get excited because we're about to explore some amazing inventions that'll blow your mind. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. First up, we have the Dremel MS-20-01 Motosaw Variable Speed Compact Scroll Saw Kit, priced at $82.79. This saw is a real game changer. Whether you need to make intricate cuts while it's mounted or handheld, this little guy has got you covered. It's perfect for small finishing projects and crafty endeavors alike. Next on our list is the Performance Tool W942 6-piece hook and pick set, priced at $12.23. Now, you might be wondering, why would I need dental tools? Well, these versatile tools can do 3 jobs at once. You can use them for all sorts of tasks, from measuring the depth of holes in woodworking to detailing your car. Talk about multitasking. Then we have the Alert Stamping 5000A 30 GFCB 30-foot cord reel with circuit breaker, priced at $63.22. Ever accidentally cut through your power cord while using a saw? It's a real pain, isn't it? Well, fear not. With this cord reel, you can mount it to the ceiling and easily pull out the cord when you need it, then quickly retract it when you're done. It's a must-have accessory for any workshop or garage enthusiast. Now we have the Fast Cap Gluebot Glue Bottle, priced at just $7.90. If you're like me, you know the struggle of clogged glue heads. But fear not. This glue dispenser is here to save the day. It dispenses glue evenly, even when there's just a little bit left in the bottle. Plus, you can dispense the gel vertically without any messy drips. How cool is that? Next on the list is the Fast Cap Gluebot Woodworker's Glue Bottle, coming in at 16 ounces. This one's a game changer, folks. Say goodbye to messy paint touch-ups with my Paint Saint, priced at $13.49. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or DIY enthusiast, this kit is a must-have. It's got everything you need for quick touch-ups, and you'll never have to wash a paintbrush again. Sure, it might seem a bit pricey for its size, but trust me, the convenience is totally worth it. Next, we have the Pittsburgh 66220 1-inch by 15 feet ratcheting band clamp, priced at $14.90. We all know that feeling of needing an extra pair of hands during a project, right? Well, this clamp is here to lend a hand. It's perfect for those angular projects like making boxes and frames, making your job a whole lot easier. Moving on, the Bench Dog 10-035 Bench Cookie Work Grippers 4-pack. These little cookies may sound tasty, but they're actually super helpful tools for your woodworking projects. They lift your projects while keeping them securely in place, which is perfect for tasks like sanding or routing. And the best part? You can get a pack of 4 for just $9.99. Next on our list is the Wireless Endoscope by Depstech. This nifty gadget is not only fun to own, but also incredibly versatile. You can use it to peek into tight spaces like your garbage disposal to find that lost ring, or even inside your car engine to locate leaks. It's like having your own personal detective tool. And guess what? It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, and you can grab one for just $38.49. Now we have the Delcast MBX Magnetizer Demagnetizer. Ever get frustrated when screws keep slipping off your screwdriver? Well, say goodbye to that annoyance with this handy tool. It magnetizes your screwdriver just enough to keep those pesky screws in place while you work. It's a simple solution to a common problem, and it's only $4.95. Next is the 3M hand masker dispenser, priced at $29.97. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need this? Well, let me tell you, taping before painting can be a real pain, right? But with this dispenser, it's a piece of cake. Whether you're painting trim or walls, you'll get a crisp, clean line every time. It's not a must-have, but trust me, it saves a ton of time. Next on our list is the Tecton 5878 11-inch long reach scraper, priced at $6.61. This tool is like a trusty sidekick for any painting project. Need to scrape off old paint or adhesive? This scraper has got you covered. It's super useful and versatile for all sorts of DIY situations. Now, let's talk about accurate measuring with the INCRA T-Rule 066-inch precision marking T-Rule, priced at $25.99. Measuring isn't always everyone's strong suit, am I right? But with this precision marking T-Rule, you can say goodbye to wonky measurements. It's a vital tool in any DIY arsenal, ensuring that your cuts and markings are spot on every time. Then we have the WA-Lynx adjustable wood hole saw circle cutter drill bit kit, priced at $10.95. Now, who else finds hole saw drill bits to be a real pain in the butt? With this hole cutter, you can kiss those frustrations goodbye. It comes with a 4mm hex key wrench, allowing you to make holes as big as you need and exactly where you want them. No more struggling with standard hole saws. This cutter makes DIY and woodworking a whole lot easier. Then we have the Striker 00107 Light Mine Professional LED Light, priced at $14.14. Say goodbye to hot work lights that need to be plugged in. This magnetic wonder light can attach to anything metal effortlessly. Plus, it comes with 4 different light settings, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. It's definitely a unique tool that you'll want in your toolbox. Next, we have the WRX Switch Driver 2-in-1 cordless drill and driver, priced at $89.99. While I don't personally own it, a friend of mine does, and let me tell you, it's super convenient. You can attach both a drill bit and a screwdriver bit, making tasks like putting up curtain rods a breeze, even when you're on a ladder. Then, there's the Carpenter Space Pen by Fisher, priced at $23.99. Ever needed to write upside down, underwater, or on a greasy surface? This pen can handle it all. It's a must-have in my toolbox and car for those unique writing situations. Next, we have the 1000 use 3-pack Teflon PTFE sheet for heat press transfers, priced at $11.99. If you're tired of gluing things to your workbench or kitchen table, these sheets are for you. They're heat-resistant and non-stick, perfect for protecting your surfaces from messy glue, ink, or paint. We've got the MLCS 9001 can-do clamp, priced at $24.95. Ever found yourself wishing for an extra pair of hands while drilling through wood? Trust me, it happens to the best of us. This clamp comes to the rescue, holding your workpiece steady and ensuring those holes come out straight as an arrow. Plus, it's a lifesaver when you need a little assistance closing the corners of your projects. Next on our list is the Bench Dog Tools 10-077 Glue Brush, available in a convenient 2-pack for $9.46. Now, I know what you're thinking, it's just a brush for glue, right? But trust me, once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Perfect for spreading glue evenly and filling those pesky holes in wood without leaving any unsightly marks. Simple yet oh so useful. Now, let's talk about the Tecton PLR 99006 Long Reach Pliers set, a steal at $35.41 for a 4-piece set. Ever dropped a screw into a tight spot and struggled to retrieve it? or needed to pull a nail out of a hole without damaging the surrounding area. These long-reach pliers are your new best friend. They may remind you a bit of dental tools, but hey, that just adds to their charm. We have the Sierra Tools battery-operated liquid transfer pump. Priced at an affordable rate, this pump may just save the day in a zombie apocalypse. If you believe in zombies, that is. But in all seriousness, it's perfect for preparing your lawnmower for winter storage and comes in handy for aquarium owners too. Then we have the Stanley Hand Tools FMHD 16145 FatMax Folding Pocket Chisel. Priced at $16.16, this chisel is a real game changer. It folds up for safety and easy storage, which is super handy. While it might not be the tool you use every day, it's a lifesaver when you need it the most. Next on the list is the Bench Dog Tools 10-054 Cookie Cone, priced at $4.77. If you're into kitchen cabinet makeovers, you'll love this. While I don't own one personally, my friends rave about it. It's perfect for those precision jobs, like painting kitchen cabinets. Wish I had one when I did mine. Now, let's talk about the Milescraft 1312 drill block, priced at $7.99. When I decided to build a greenhouse for my in-laws using plumbing pipes, I needed to make sure my drill holes were spot on. That's where this little guy came in. It's super easy to use and ensures your drill goes straight every time. A real lifesaver for DIY projects. Last but definitely not least, we have the DeWalt Dwarfs Right Angle Flex Shaft, priced at $24.98. Let me tell you, this tool is a game changer. How many times have you struggled to fit your drill into tight spots? It's happened to me countless times. But with this flex shaft, you can bend around corners and squeeze into those impossible spaces effortlessly. Trust me, this one's a must-have. And there you have it, folks. Those were 25 awesome tools that can make your life easier and more fun. But hey, here's a question for you. Which tool are you most excited to try out? Is it the super handy multi-tool or maybe the futuristic smart home gadgets? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool videos like this. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering new tools that make your world better. See you next time.